I am presenting here the topic emetic and antiemetics. It is useful for B Pharm 5th semester in pharmacology subject BP 602T. What is emetic? Indicated in case poisoning, acute cases of poisoning, except in corrosive substance poisoning or if patient is not fully conscious, alcoholic intoxication, removal of foreign bodies from the esophagus, certain cases of paroxysmal tachycardia. Centrally acting apomorphine directly stimulate the chemotherapy trigger zone or vomiting center. Semisynthetic derivative of morphine given intramuscular or subcutaneous at centrally. Local effect on GIT not required. Dose is 6 mg. Induced vomiting in 5 to 10 minutes. Central nerve system depressant contraindicated in respiratory depression. Contraindication: corrosive poisoning, unconscious patient, morphine poisoning and corrosion poisoning. What is antiemetics? Drugs. A group of drugs which are used to control nausea and vomiting. An antiemetic is a drug that is effective against vomiting and nausea. Antiemetics are typically used to treat motion sickness and the side effects of opioid, analgesic, general anesthetics and chemotherapy directly against cancer. Classifications. Firstly, anticholinergic, hyoscine, dicyclomine, H1 antihistaminic, promethazine, meclizine, D2 antagonist, prokinetic drugs and neuroleptics, neuroleptic chlorpromazine, selective 5-HT3 antagonist, granisidrone, ondansetron, glucocorticoids and benzodiazepines, diazepam and lorazepam. Anticholinergic drugs are those which block action of anticholinergic on autonomic effector and the central nerve system, exert thero and muscarinic receptors. For example, hyoscine dose is 0.2 to 0.4 mg oral intramuscular. The most effective drugs for motion sickness, however, it has a brief duration of action, produced sedative and other anticholinergic side effect. Dicyclomine dose 10 to 20 mg oral, used for prophylaxis of motion sickness and for morning sickness. It has been cleared of teratogenic potential. H1 and antihistaminic. Some antihistaminics are antiemetic. They are useful mainly in motion sickness. Their antiemetic effect appears to be based on anticholinergic, antihistamines and antihistaminic and sedative properties. For example, promethazine. Promethazine is the first generation of H1 histamine antagonist used as antihistaminic and antiemetics. These drugs offered protection of motion sickness for 2 to 6 hours, but produced sedative and dryness of mouth. Doxylamine. It is a sedative H1 antihistaminic with prominent anticholinergic activity, marketed in combination with pyridoxine. It is specifically promoted in India for morning sickness, vomiting of early pregnancy. D2 antagonist, prokinetic drugs. These are drugs which promote gastrointestinal transit and speed gastric by enhancing coordinated propulsive motility. For example, metoclopramide. Metoclopramide is chemically related to procanamide but has no pharmacological similarity with it. Mechanism of action. Metoclopramide acts through both dopaminergic and serotonergic receptors. First, D2 antagonism. Dopamine is an inhibitory transmitter in the GIT, normally act to delay gastric emptying when food is present in stomach. Metoclopramide blocks D2 receptors and has an opposite effect and acetylcholine release. The central antidopaminergic receptors action of metoclopramide on GTCTZ is clearly responsible for its antiemetic properties. 5-HT4 antagonism. Metoclopramide act in the GIT to enhance acetylcholine release from myenteric motion neurons. This results from 5-HT4 receptor activation on primary afferent neurons of the ENSY excitatory interneurons. 5-HT3 antagonism. At high concentration, metoclopramide can block 5-HT3 receptors present on inhibitory myenteric interneurons and in CTZ. The peripheral action can acetylcholine release in this gut, but appears to be minor. The central anti-5-HT3 action appears to be significant only when large doses are used to control chemotherapy-induced vomiting. Pharmacokinetics. Metoclopramide is rapidly absorbed orally enter brains. It is tightly conjugated in liver and excreted in urine within 24 hours. T-half is 3 to 6 hours. Orally it acts in T-half hours, but within 10 minutes after intramuscular and 2 minutes after intravenous injection. During of action lasts 4 to 6 hours. Adverse effect. Metoclopramide is generally well tolerated. Sedative, dizziness. Uses antiemetic, gastrokinetic, GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. 5-HT3 antagonist. The 5-HT3 antagonist, informally known as citron, are a class of drug that act as receptor antagonist at the 5-HT3 receptor, a subtypes of serotonin receptors found in terminals of the vagal nerves and in certain areas of the brain. For example, granny citron. It is 10 to 15 minutes more potent than ordinary citron and probably more effective during the repeated cycle of chemotherapy. Benzodiazepines. The biggest antiemetic property of benzodiazepines is primarily based on the sedative action. Used as adjuvant to metoclopramide, ondansetron, diazepam, lorazepam, oral and intravenous, help by relieving anti-anxiety, vomiting and produced for the unplacement procedure. Thank you.